Hi everyone, this is the next episode of Playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. I joined a server and the server name is Welcome to Blue Server. Disconnect. This is it. Welcome to Blue Server. I'll give the port and IP in the description. Hey Paul. Oh no. Okay. So this is the stuff. The owner is Blue. Blue as Life is the owner. Co-owner is Congo and the other co-owner is Baytex. Okay. And the other is this. So this is the warp. So we go to warp play. Warp spawn. We go back. Let's explore the city. There are huge building in here. This is the McDonald's. If you YouTube in this server, you get YouTube rank. Maybe. Jump, jump, jump. There are lots of buildings. I don't want to explore this all of it, but if you explore it. This is so hard, but okay. In the next episode, we will play mini games in Minecraft Pocket. There are really lots of big houses. Bye guys. See you in the next episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Bye.